What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person that's watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about all the videos. There's plenty of content to watch. Discord link below. You can have a conversation on there. Best place to find me if you want to talk about clothes, shoes, accessories, fashion, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's just get straight into this one. So this one is quite different, to be honest, for me, because I don't usually advise people or show people, but you know, I was so happy at the quality of this t-shirt. I just, you know, I've got loads of them now. I did purchase them at a cheaper price point than they are now, but I love this brand. So the brand is Uniqlo. As you can see here, the label, £14.90 for this. It's not that much anymore. It's gone up to £19.90, which is slightly a bit more, but then again, you know, there are quality t-shirts, craftsmanship, the fit is good. Definitely, you know, it's like Airism, so it's, you know, it keeps you dry and stuff. There's a bit of information on that. So I'll just open it out. It is a oversized t-shirt, so it does, you know, it does fit very oversized. I've got an XL, so for example, if you wear like a large t-shirt and you want to wear oversized, get an oversized one and then go up one size. That'll be proper nice and oversized for you for the summer. I'll be honest, the material, the quality of these t-shirts is just so good. Like the inside, you can tell it's like a different type of material. I did wear these throughout the whole of last summer. I bought a bunch. I have to say they wash very well. I've had no problems with them whatsoever. I've bought black, grey, navy blue and white. I'll be honest, every single one I do highly recommend, obviously within reason if you can afford it. I'm not trying to force anyone to buy or anything. I'm not getting paid to say this, but I'm saying if you are looking for a good, clean, nice, oversized t-shirt that will survive the washing machine, survive the washing machine meaning it will fit the same, it will still be the same like it's fresh. However, on white the color will change, but that's just something you have to get used to on white t-shirts. If you buy black, I guarantee you, well, I don't guarantee you, but if you buy black, you know, it will last a long time, those t-shirts. And you know, I literally love these t-shirts so much I had to make a video about these t-shirts, and I had to take it out of the packet for you guys as well, man. I need to put it back in. But definitely amazing t-shirts, proper quality, nice oversized, one of the best oversized t-shirts I've purchased. All of Uniqlo's t-shirts, their stuff, you know, is plain but it's so good quality. Price points are quite good for what the product is. For example, £15 for these t-shirts, you know, I'm happy to pay that instead of paying like £10 or £15 to another company and they're just not going to last. So I definitely think, in my own humble opinion, this is one of the best oversized white t-shirts that you can purchase at this price point of about £20. Again, the price point has gone up a bit. That does kind of stop me from buying more, not going to lie. But then again, that's just me. But yeah, let me know what you think, people. Let me know about your experiences with Uniqlo. If you like the brand, I've got loads and loads of things from Uniqlo. It's actually crazy. Something I've definitely been behind for a long time. But yeah, definitely not free advertisement. This is just 100% my own opinion. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Join the Discord. And I'll see you in the next one, people. Take care.